Hello and welcome, this is Paul from K-Bean Coffee. In this video, I'll take you through my espresso workflow. So the first thing to do is lock the portafilter into place. Turn the machine on and let the machine heat up. When you're ready, take off the portafilter and wipe the basket. Bring the portafilter over to the scales and zero the scales. Now over to the grinder. I usually grind until you get a little mound and stop the first grinding just before it starts overflowing. Give it a tap down, take it over to the scales, check the weight, a couple of grams short, so bring it back over, add a couple of grams, give it a check, so you're aiming for that 22 grams for the 20 gram basket. So now we need to distribute the coffee evenly around that basket. So grab a coffee distribution tool, sit it on top, give it a couple of twists. And now it's time to tamp, so grab the tamper, sit the tamper on top, then level it using your finger and your thumb. Once it's level, give it a good tamp down, a good hard press. So the next step is to get the portafilter, lock it into place, grab a few cups, and pull the lever all the way up and start the extraction. Remember, what you're looking for is a double espresso in 25 to 35 seconds. So we're extracting by colour, watching the colour here. Starts off dark, gets a bit paler, and then we're looking for blonding. We want to stop the shot just before it starts to blonde. Now grab the portafilter and take it over, knock out the puck. Wipe the basket clean. Give the machine a flush and a wipe. Put the portafilter back on and flush a little more water through. Good practice, a good way to keep your machine nice and clean. And now it's time to go back to the grinder. What we need to do here is to tune it so it's ready for the next shot. If you're an espresso drinker, it's time to drink up now. Enjoy!